The nature of the human soul is heavenly, boundless, ever perfect, ever content. We can't say happy because happiness implies also the possibility of the opposite. In this case, it's just pure, ongoing bliss. This is the nature of the soul. And therefore, that is our real nature. But once we have descended to the duality of the experience of consciousness on earth, then there are the two opposites. There is a light and there is shadow. There is contentment and discontentment. There is happiness and misery, good and bad, and so on. So our earthly experience is bracketed between this swing between acceptable, rejectable, good and bad, and so on. So our outer experiences are always depicting one or the other. And our innate drive and hope and expectation is to be more and more content, happy, and joyful. But the nature of the consciousness is such that there has to be a swing. So we try to avoid looking at the reasons for depression or being in any way on the what they call often being on the negative side or on the darker side that we don't like. But in truth, that also has a purpose. And if we look at it, we find it's because of our mind had wandered into a zone or into an area or an expectation that is unlikely to be maintained. It's our own fault. So if you look at the reasons behind any depression or any of these negative tendencies, is because we allowed the mind to wander and meander rather than stop the mental uncertainties, agitations, and touch the light of the soul, which is ever effulgent, ever radiant, ever joyful.